set Cocoa Research Institute of Nigeria and some other laudable things in his local government. So, saying that all those things belong in the past is not the way to go, because if the federal government had been alive to its responsibilities, I mean, I challenge you. Evidence of the incompetence of federal government abound, and I can begin to give you instances.
The same thing for the states.
One after the other. 68 items for the federal government. The federal government of Nigeria can possibly legislate on any conceivable thing. You cannot run a federal republic like that. It is either we do it the way they do it in some other jurisdiction. I mean, for goodness sake, South Africa, the BRIC acronym, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. 3 of them run regional-based federal system of government. You all know the progresses, the feat India has achieved over a period of time. Same thing with Brazil.
So
why are we so cheap with bad copycats? Even the presidential system of government that we have copied from America, we are giving it a bad name.
But even if we go for a parliamentary one, we'll still copy it.
Honestly, in closing, I was actually going to ask you to actually let us in on what you think will finally happen to all of this, because if we've seen that people have voted, the people have voted. For instance, Section 162(6) that says,
I can tell you,
talked about the amendment of state joint local government account. A whole lot of people at that particular session wanted it to be independent. So, with this and so many other outcomes of this particular session with the people, do you think we will finally, at the end of the day, take this as an amended constitution?
I doubt it. We don't have to put the cart before the horse. We have just heard from the House of Representatives. Wait for us to hear from the Senate. And then you'll have to take all the proposals to thoughts of the State House Assembly.
It's not going to be difficult, is it?
It won't be difficult. Anything the state governor does not want, they'll kill it. And now you're going to amend the Constitution. Well, the last has not been heard. And that is why we keep moving in cycles. And we are saying that people who are in government today should be left with the responsibility of governance. Let us get people who are patriotic, who will not consider their interests, but will be motivated by the need to provide a government that will deliver for the people, and then fashion out a constitutional arrangement that will guarantee all of this. And that can only happen where, for instance, a professor of law who is not interested in partisan politics can volunteer to be a delegate to a national conference. And people, no, this is not a politician. It's an, if for instance...
He's not interested in politics. What is he looking for?
No. That's why you have to draw a difference between politicians who are interested in power and statesmen who are concerned about the future of Nigeria. If for instance, you don't have to be a partisan politician, mind you. If, for instance, you put a process of constitutional conference in place, and a professor Isesagi offers himself for service, people will vote for him in his constituency. So because they know he's not just interested in governance, he's interested in the public good.
Remember,
he's interested how to make Nigeria work for all of us.
We don't know what the mindset of the people that he's going to meet to vote for him will be. The last time we had a gentleman here, he said, look, he went to campaign and they told him, hey, what is it grammar you're speaking for us here? What's that all about?
You know, but if you are contesting, you are campaigning that you want to go represent, you want to be a governor, then you're going to be there to make money. So they ask you for money. You want to you want to become a senator or House of Reps, they know you are going to make money there, and they're going to ask you for money. But constitutional conference, money no day there.
Who says that there is no money?
The money now.
Who says there will be no money?
No, because you will have the how do you put it? The modus operandi. They will tell you they're going to give you stipends, allowances, and then take care of where you would reside. But constituency projects, millions or billions of naira will not be involved. So if I'm going to there not to make money, why are you going to ask me for money to give to you? I'll say, wait. Election for people into the parliament, the government house will come. They'll give you money, but this one is about how to make your future better. It will not be difficult to mobilize our people.
It'll be interesting to see, but we'll have to let it go. Thank you for coming out this morning. Bisi Adegbuyi, a legal practitioner, looking at the Constitution Review matter. Well, let's